I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a root beer float. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need a tall, sturdy glass, a bottle of your favorite root beer, and a generous carton of creamy vanilla ice cream. Make sure your root beer is well chilled. This is key for that perfect frosty experience. Also, grab a long spoon or a straw for enjoying your delicious creation. Now, let's start building our float. Begin by pouring approximately 1/3 of your chilled root beer into the tall glass. A little trick to reduce excessive foam is to tilt your glass slightly as you pour. This initial layer of root beer creates a stable base for the ice cream, preventing it from sinking too quickly and ensuring a more balanced flavor throughout your treat. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the vanilla ice cream. Gently add 2 to 3 generous scoops of ice cream into the glass. Try to place them carefully to minimize splashing and prevent an overwhelming amount of fizz. You want a good balance of root beer and ice cream, so leave about 1/4 of the glass empty for the final pour. This creates a beautiful, frothy top. For the grand finale, slowly pour the remaining root beer over the ice cream. Watch as the carbonation reacts with the cold ice cream, creating that iconic, frothy head that defines a perfect root beer float. Fill it almost to the brim, leaving just a little space. Serve your magnificent creation immediately with a long spoon and a straw, and savor every bubbly, creamy sip. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.